So today we are again solving the week 2 question for the NPTL. So first question they have asked, where is the error? Okay. So now we will explain one by one. So we have written the program in a very good method. This is the data structure with Python. So every time we have written the print, so easily you can understand. The first line they have given you x is equal to, this is the list. First one he has given you, this is one, this is x0, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, and this is x4. Okay, this is a list. So now what he has given you, y is equal to 0 to 50 means your y. So y is referencing to x and total range is from 0 to 49. So I am printing what is y actually. If you will see here, my y is similar as your, you can see all the value are similar to this x. The first value is 3.5, second is this one, third is this one, fourth is this one, and fifth is this one. So this value is matching with this one. Okay, so now second I have written z is equal to y. So z is referencing also y. If you want to print z, you can see the value is also same, the value of z is also similar. Okay, this line also correct. Third one, he has written w is equal to x. So now w is referencing to x. Again, if you will print the value of y, w, so the value is also same, you can see. Okay, now next you are writing x1. Okay, what is x1? X1 is this is x0. Okay, this is x1, and this is x2, and this is x3, and this is x4. This is the x4. So now what is x1? X1 is this. So my. So what we are saying, x1 is equal to, in x1 it will you have to append this ry. Okay, in the value you have to append ery. So if you are printing the value of x, now you can see at the third place mim, before it was mimsy, now I append ery. Okay, so now after then this value is also correct. After then we are writing y1 is equal to 4. What is the meaning of this? My y is referencing to x. At this 1 I have to write 4. So what is the meaning of this? Now you can see here 4 is here. Okay, now next z4 is equal to 42. So z is also referencing to x. Okay, what is the meaning of this? At 4 we have to write 42. Done. Okay, now next I am writing x00 is equal to x555. So it means that the first index plays the value 5555. Okay, so meaning x0. What is x0? Your x0, this is your x0, this is overall x0. At x0 the first place is x0. Okay, so x00, at this place you have to replace or modify 5555. This is the meaning of this. And at last he is asking print a. Okay, print a means x31 is equal to 1. Okay, what is 31? Okay, x31. So this is x1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. So your x3 is one string. So this string is never 1. Okay, what is the meaning of this? This is not 1. So it means that it will print the false. Now what is the exact answer? He has written after this value, y, after then he has written w13. Okay, w1 and 0 to 3 you have to add the value fea. But if you will see, already w is referencing to x. And what is w1? What is w1? You can see my w1 is mimsy, and this value already we have written 4. This value already we have written 4. So it means that we cannot slice the integer. We cannot slice the integer. We can slice the string. We cannot slice the integer. So this is not possible. So this is a wrong answer. Okay. So your 7th column is the wrong answer. If you go in my program, so what they have asked, this is your 7th. Your 7th line is incorrect. Statement 7 is incorrect. Now second question he is asking. He has given you one question, b is equal to a is equal to d is equal to c is equal to something, and what he is asking, which one is the wrong. Okay, which one is correct, which one is wrong, something he is asking. So now same program again we have written. So again I will change the color. your B is equal to one list. Okay, your B is equal to one list. Your B is equal to one list. Your B is equal to one list. Now I am printing the value of B. What is B? I will print the string. Okay, I will print the string. You can see I printed the I printed the list. Sorry. Now next I am writing A. My A is equal to B to end. What is the meaning of this? My 0 is this one. Okay, this is 0. Okay, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, so according to the list means B0, B1, B2, B3, B4. So what he is asking, my value of A is starting from 2 to end. What is the meaning of this? Now you can see I am printing the value. So after you can see the value is printing 65, 65, 105 and 4. Why? Because this is B0, this is B1, this is B2. From 2 to end we have to print the value. So this value printed. Okay, meaning of this done. Now next I am writing D is equal to B1 to end. Same, 1 to end. What is 1? Same. Okay, so now you can see I am printing the value from 1 to end. I am printing the value from 1 to end. I think that you understand. So I am printing the value from 1 to end. So 1, what is 1? 1 is this, 0 is this. Okay, B0 and this is B1. So from 99 to 4 I am printing the value. Next he is asking your C is equal to B. B is referencing to C, means B and C both are same. Done. After then I am writing D1 is equal to 95. Okay, what is D? Okay, your D was referencing to B. Your D was referencing to B. What was B? Your D is this. Your D is this. Now what we are writing in D? D1 is equal to 95. So D1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. So your D1 is equal to 95. So this value is 95, you can see. Okay. Now next I am writing B2 is equal to 47. What is B2? B2 is equal to 47. What is B? And your B is this. B0, B1, B2, 65. This value 65 I have written. What we have written? We have written 47. We have written 47. This value is 47. Done. Now next your C3 is equal to 73. What is C? What is C? Your C is this one. C is this one. C3. 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. C3 is equal to 73. C3 is equal to 73. This is the final answer. Now you check which one is matching. So if you will see, your A0 is 65, B3 is equal to 105 and C3 is equal to 73 and D1 is equal to 95. You have to check in this answer. So easily you can understand what is the correct answer. So there are many actually options are there. Out of this option you have to correct one. And after then there is another question number 3. He has given you one string, and after then he has given you another string that is blank, and one for loop for I is equal to 1 to end of the string, and after then you are appending all the value, okay, from last to first. So now we have written the code here. You can see also we have written the code here. So what is the meaning of this code actually? If you will see the meaning of code, string is this, okay, index is this, already know. So negative index means -1 indicating the last one, -2 indicating the last second last, -3 indicating that after then one by one I am coming here, okay, negative index meaning. So what is the meaning of this? str -1 means I am printing the last character. str -2 means I am printing the second last character. Like this I am printing all the value. So if you want to write very special small program instead of this, you can also write like this: print str, so nothing, after then nothing, from -1. So you display all the character in this string from last to first. Meaning is this: from last to first, display everything. Okay, so it will display the A, C, O and D. Okay, I think that you understand. So -1 from last to first, you have to display all the data from last to first. Now last question what he is asking, this question is very simple. I have defined one function. My function name is my_stry, and this is actually list. This is the list. Okay, to confuse he has written L. Actually this is L, not 1. Now after then list is equal to list 2 to end, means what is the meaning of this? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So 2 to end means 13 to 21, meaning is this. So your list is equal to, now list is equal to 13, 17, 19 and 21. Your list is this now. Okay, so this list is this one. Now return list. So okay, I return the list. After then this is already I defined the list. Now I am writing, I am calling the list. Okay, I am calling, but whatever I have updated, I am not storing anywhere. This is the fault here, error. So what is the meaning of this? Your list will display same value. Your list will display the same answer. Okay, same. So what you should write here, instead of writing this one, you should write like this. If you are writing like this, then the data will be changed. In this condition, your answer will be this one. Okay, 13 to 21. Otherwise your data is remain same. Your list will be same. Okay, what is the answer? Your list will be same. So you have to write in the answer box this 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 21. This is the final answer. I think that you understand.